Hi! What's up, everybody? How are you doing? It is summertime. Whew, and it's hot. At least out here in PA. Yeah, so I thought today would be a fun video. This is like an old trend that I saw, like last year at some point, but I don't know. I thought it would be like an interesting video to do. So today we are going to try makeup techniques that I actually don't like. I watched one from, I just started watching him. He's a professional makeup artist, Robert Walsh. I think that's his name. I'm sorry if I said the wrong name. He did it, and I thought it'd be interesting because I noticed some of the techniques that he doesn't like are ones that I like. So clearly I'm not a makeup artist, as we've talked before, so thought it'd be fun to do my own version of that. I've seen also like Nicole Consilio do that. But yeah, I thought it'd be a fun video to try out. So if you all want to see what techniques I definitely don't like to do, then keep on watching. Now I will say, and I know everybody says this in the beginning of this type of video, I'm not trying to say that my techniques are the right way, you're wrong, I'm right. No, it's not even like that. I feel like it's just interesting to see how people do their makeup differently. Like, everybody does their makeup their own way. Like, some people have similar techniques, some people do it completely different, and it's still the same end result anyway. So it really doesn't matter in the end, like what kind of technique you use, as long as it works and it's doing the job. Like, obviously some techniques are a little bit more involved than others, but it's just really, it's your own preference in the end, and it's also depending on your skin type too. So one of my biggest things is I always do my eyes first. I never do my face first. I think it's more of a personal thing with me. Like, I do rely on my face a lot when I'm blending, and I know I really shouldn't be, but I also don't want to be worried about getting fallout from my eyeshadow all over my face. So I am going to start out with my face first today to start off the video on a strong note. And you know what? Maybe a technique I tried today, maybe I haven't done it in a while and I end up loving it all of a sudden. We'll see. Maybe I'll learn something new. I'm going to start off with the technique that was trending on TikTok. I don't watch TikTok. I don't care about TikTok. Don't ask me if I watch TikTok. But I'm going to start off with my primer. I mean, that's like a normal thing I do, right? So I'm going to use my Hydro Grip Primer from Milk. As always, I got a little guy here. Again, my favorite primer. Oh, and also, like, the products I'm using today are ones that I do like. So it's techniques, not products I hate, just so we're clear. So I'm just going to do what I normally do with this. Funny enough, some of these techniques I have that I'm going to do today, Jackie Aina has done, who is one of my favorite YouTubers, but she has an oily skin type and I am a drier skin type. So this technique I'm going to use was trending, and you guys probably know exactly what I'm talking about. Basically, what I wanted to do was set my face after my primer, which is what I've seen people do. Now, that is great. I don't know, I've never actually done it before, this is my first time, but to me, that's a technique if you're extremely oily. I'm not going to use much. Going in with the foundation, people seem to have the tendency to put a little bit too much. So that was just the ColourPop No Filter Foundation stick in medium 83N. Also mixing it with the Bare Minerals stick Complexion Rescue. It's a little cakey in some areas. It's really not as bad as I thought it was going to turn out. So one thing I definitely don't do is cream contour, and the only reason why I don't really like doing it is I just feel like it's an extra unnecessary step. I'm going to go in with the contour shade, just a deeper tone concealer, and I don't even know if it's the right color because I literally don't know where anything is. Just like this whole thing, like the Kim K thing, I find it too much. I never contour my nose like this. But like, it's just excessive. Like, this is a lot. Oh, and then I just feel like it just gets to the point where it's basically you're changing your whole color of your face. Ew, I hate this. 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 I'm gonna be doing this for like probably an hour. Let's hope I can save it with powder by overly baking. Now, as you know, I do like to bake. You've noticed I only bake under my eyes and my nose a little bit. We're gonna do what I usually do. Now, here's the fun part. I'm going to be leaving my powder underneath my eyes because I'm going in with eyeshadow. And I really don't want to fall out. Like, my face looks bad enough. My forehead is way too dark. It's a good thing about the sponge. There's different sides to it. Can't wait to see how dry I am after this. We will finish the face once we're done the eyes. We're going to do the brows. And one of my least favorite things is the feather brow look. I know a lot of people like that because they feel like it looks a little bit more, you know, natural. Maybe I just don't have the brows for it. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna go in with my dip brow though. As I'm doing them, it's like going back to normal anyway. My face is feeling so tight. Oh my god. I'm going in with my brow gel now to brush them upward. One of the other techniques I do not like is when people do not set eyeshadow primer. And I think I've talked about this before, and the reason why I don't like it is because my eyes crease a lot. So I'm going in with like a crazy smoky eye today, guys. As you know, I always go in with my transition shades, just so when I'm blending it out, it just looks a lot more like natural looking, like more gradient. We're not gonna do that today. We are going in with a stark black on the eyelid. I'm going with my Jaclyn Hill palette in color Abyss, which is just that black shade in that corner right here. We're gonna pack her on. And the reason why I wanted to use, so you can look like a crazy person, the reason why I wanted to use the Jaclyn Hill one was because I knew the black in here is stark black. And look, I'm already having fallout right around here. And I'm just going in on my entire lid. And we're done. Now we're gonna hope for the best and go in with the blending part now. My transition shade was gonna be pink. Yeah, I would have gone in with the pink first and then with my black, honestly. Ooh, maybe I should tap it in first. I already messed up. Definitely going with a smaller blending brush. This should be interesting. Oh, I hate this. This looks terrible. It's coming out purpley. And it was supposed to be pink. I never go in with the eyebrow highlight anymore, but I think on this occasion, it's very necessary. I can't believe this. Even on the brush, it's purple. I blended it out to purple. A nice Halloween look. Now I gotta do all of that on the bottom. Can't wait. We're gonna go in with an eyeliner. My face has been baking for way too long, and I'm ready to wipe it off. So, we'll start off with my face. See, it leaves a lot of white. Oh, God. So that's why I don't like baking like that long, because it's basically stuck on my face now. Well, now I'm going to go in with my contour shade. Alright, we're going to go in with Anastasia and Rich Amber. So something else I don't like is when people go crazy with blush. Oh, and then on here. I don't like that. I don't want to look sunburnt. Alright, I gotta go in with that black again. The pink that I was using was actually from this palette, the Riviera Anastasia palette, and I was using that Bahamas shade actually, this pink right here. I think I'm done with the blending for now. Oh my god, I do look really scary. I didn't go in with a highlighter, but like I don't really have a highlighting technique I don't like. So that was ColourPop and Lunch Money. And then to be extra, I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics, this highlighter palette. I'm gonna go do Radiance. I don't know if that's too dark. We'll see. I'm going in with my Alchemist palette, and I'm going in with the middle shade there. It's the violet one. I feel like I could glow in the dark if I wanted to. I look very sweaty. I didn't go in with lashes yet, so give me a moment. We gotta do the lips now, and I think the one thing I would say with lips, I do want to go in with like a really neutral shade at this point. Ow. Ew, I hate this. This is the perfect color of what I needed, and it's going in the trash. Yeah, for sure. Pat McGrath, for sure. And Wicked. There was not really anything I enjoyed about any of this. I'm gonna get you a closer look here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this wasn't like the worst video you've ever seen in your life, but it might have been. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.